Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you are using an administrator account so changes persist. Once confirmed, open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu at top right. Next, go to Settings, then Privacy, Search, and Services. That's where pop-up controls live. You should also open the Extensions pane in a separate tab so you can disable ad or pop-up extensions immediately. Make sure to keep the browser window visible because you'll toggle options and test pages as you proceed. You navigate to Site Permissions and select pop-ups and redirects, then toggle Block to stop standard pop-ups. This setting covers most cases. Once done, move to Notifications and set it to Block or manually allow only trusted domains. That prevents permission prompt abuse. After that, disable any suspicious extensions in Extensions because some inject pop-ups even with blocking on. Finally, clear site-specific permissions for problem sites so they can't reopen channels that previously allowed pop-ups. You finish by restarting Edge and testing the sites that caused trouble, using an in-private window so extensions won't interfere. Make sure pop-ups are gone. If pop-ups persist, scan for potentially unwanted programs with your anti-malware tool and consider resetting Edge settings or creating a new profile to eliminate corrupted preferences. One key troubleshooting tip: run a full malware scan and remove any suspicious software. Often that resolves stubborn pop-ups. Then recheck site permissions and extension list to confirm the issue is fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.